If you have a Chevy Trax or a Buick Encore, possibly even the Cruise, if you have a driver's headlight out, like this one, and you also have the passenger tail lights out, and the bulb is not fixing the issue, what you'll want to do is come to your front fuse box, get your fuse puller, squeeze the tabs in the center. It'll pull the tab out the side. And there's two little rubber pieces on the side. And then you just pull out. The side has these little grooves in them to hold it in. When you put it back in, you'll want to put the rubber back in. But if you look at your fuse box, you're looking at the BCM number 4 fuse. So you'll use your fuse puller, and you would pull from the top, pull your fork down, and you'll notice, most likely this one's blown. The fuse is blown. So you would get another 15 amp fuse, which I already grabbed one because I've had this problem before on different tracks before. So you'll put the fuse in the fuse puller. This is the new fuse. And you just push it back in. And then you would just squeeze the holder and then pull it back out. So now, that should have done it. And they're both working again. Usually, what I've seen that causes the issue is if somebody changes the headlight with the actual headlights on or the engine running, it will pop that fuse every time. I've seen it on the driver's side a lot. I've not seen the passenger side, so I don't know the exact fuse number, but that's how you do that.